Okay. Alright guys, I'm out here at Warren at our hunting spot. We've caught a lot of carp. A lot of carp. This is one of the smaller ones actually. And we're going to do something today. We're going to try and eat this carp. In fact, a few of the carp we're going to try and eat. Nothing that I've invented. I've seen it in other videos. So I'm going to try and I'm going to pellet it, skin it, take off the pieces which are useful. Okay. And let's see how we do it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the one fish, because it will take me ages to go through all the fish. So what we're going to do now, I'm using my actual hunting knife. I've got a few hunting knives over here because these scales are really thick, and I'm just going to go straight in. Okay, like that. I've made that first cut, and then I'm going to turn that fish around, and with the scales on, I'm going to work my way down the backbone, just like you would any other fish, and I'm going to take that fillet out, and it's coming away actually quite nicely. Okay. Then when you reach around there, you can take it the whole way, and you can take it off like that. And that's a benefit of having a really sharp knife. Then I'm going to take it across like that. Right, and take it across like that. There we go. That's one fillet. I'm going to turn that around. And I'm going to do the other side now. Over there. Look at that for a fillet. Okay, as you can see, that one over there has a lot of blood in it, and I think the blood is what causes a lot of that horrible taste. Now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to skin this fillet. I'm going to skin the fillet. I'm going to take the fillet off, the meat off there, and you can already see how it's different from most of the other fish that we work with, is that there's just bones everywhere, but it is coming away nicely. Relatively nicely. And there we go. So I've taken that, and you have that fillet over there. Now we're not going to use the entire fillet. That's a skin over there. We're not going to use the entire fillet. The only part usable, according to what I've read, is this flesh that comes over the rib cage. Now, as you can also see, I don't know if you can see that, that's a lighter colored flesh. So that's not going to taste horrible at all. So we're going to take that lighter colored flesh off, and I can feel it, it's boneless as well. So that's that lighter colored flesh which we're going to work with. So I'm going to put that aside, and there's a smaller piece which you can work with as well, and that's along the top as well. It's boneless, but that's all I'm going to take off that one. Move on to the next one. It's one of the larger carps we caught. Honestly, this is very heavy. This is about, I reckon it's about 4.5 5 kilos. It's about 65, 70 centimeters. It's massive.
Look at the tacos on that thing.
Easy way to get rid of these fellas. Straight over their head. Yeah, that's it. The mouth. Once that mouth gets open like that, you know it's dead. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna fillet this large fella. Same as well, using a sharp knife. Bro, yeah, honestly man, you guys are stacking on like Nutella and
you know what, that's, you're right.
In the middle of the table.
Put it on ice, man.
Yeah, you got burgers, you've got...
Let's get the burgers on that. Bashir, when you meant burgers, did you mean mince?
No, bro, actual burgers, bro.
Why have you got
So
mince?
what's this mince pasta?
No, bro, I think that's the burgers. Bro, and tomorrow is tipped to be 40.
Wow.
Carp sushi.
Carp sashimi.
No, seriously, how much you give me?
No, bro, nothing, bro.
I need bucks for my holiday.
You'll need bucks for his medical bill.
You won't even make it to the ATM.
They use mac-
I like sashimi strips that he's taking off, man.
Which
That's
part?
one tiny strip from each of the fish.
Man, you know that massive fish you got like that?
Yeah.
Which section you keeping, Bashir?
This?
The meat over the rib cage. So, you know, normally we chuck that stuff out on other fish, that rib cage meat.
That's the wing.
The stomach.
Yeah, so over the rib cage. So here's the rib cage.
Hey. Yes, I'm getting
Where you learned about that, Bashir?
Just on YouTube, bro.
But the stomach.
that's YouTube
Yeah.
stuff.
Just that bottom section,
Yeah.
It's normally the one piece that you throw
I know. I was surprised as well when I
You're gonna get to
when I checked what.
Nah, yeah, that's it.
So it's with that part over there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Just that.
Like it's opposite to what you would normally take.
yeah,
out on a normal
yes,
fish.
yes, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So normally we'd chuck that. Normally we'd fillet on a normal fish. We'd fillet it.
yeah.
We'd keep that and we'd chuck out that.
Yeah.
But this part's got. I'm putting my fingers. It's got all bones. Right. Whereas normal fish, you don't have bones.
Yeah.
All right. You'd have the bones on the rib cage and bit of this. Right. Whereas this is. It's strange. It's like kind of opposite.
It's your one, mate. Oh, that's big, man.
Oh,
All of that is massive, bro.
oh my.
Wow.
It's really hot.
Hot because this is hot and that's a lot of hot. No.
So we've cleaned up our fish, and this is the yield. This is what we have. We have just a few pieces. Cut them up into a few bite-sized pieces. This is just a try. It's the first time that I'm trying it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this a try. I have my oil. It's getting really hot now. And I'm going to add some. I have some cold water. I have some flour here. I've put some spices in it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix that in. Just to make like a batter. Coming along nicely. And if you find that the batter is too thin, you can always add some more flour to that. So I think I'm going to need just a little bit more flour in that.
Now we came back to drop you off. We started fishing.
Just see if my... Yeah, that's nice and hot. Turn that down a bit. So I'm going to go ahead, take my fish, just throw it in this flour over here. Just want to coat that. Coat the fish with some flour. So it's nice and coated. Then I'm going to go ahead and dunk it inside the batter.
I'll just use the bottom first. And after that, I'll come back.
Dust that out, put that in there.
I don't mind like camping.
And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop my fish in the fryer. That is really hot. Alright, that looks nice and golden. Take that one out. That piece there looks nice and golden. We're going to take that out.
Looks interesting, man.
Does, right?
Looks
It
good.
looks like
It looks
normal
good.
fish.
What is that? Lemon peppers.
Yeah, the lemon pepper
Yeah.
steak. This is just a trial. Let's see how we go, right? So this is it over here. You can see, got my heat up. Got that heat up and they look really good. Coming along good. These ones over here, as you can see, golden brown. But the real challenge is eating them and seeing how they are. See how we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. This is that's a hot piece. This is like honestly carp. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Carp. Waiting for an aftertaste. Beautiful. Yeah.
No regrets.
No regrets. Nothing. It's actually quite good.
What's the difference in colour for?
Have those ones. I think these ones are a little bit better done.
Mm.
There you go, yourself.
Well, it smells good. Alright.
Carp. Deep fried. Honest opinions.
It's actually not bad.
Not bad? Awesome. Let's go, Omar.
Okay, I'll have
Needs a
one.
bit of salt.
Need salt? Okay, that's a...
I want to get a small one.
Yeah, just even eat a little bit if you want, mate. You don't have to finish it.
Kind of tastes like chicken, but with a good taste.
Oh, that's a beautiful critique right there. Thank you, Omar. Oh, and he's going for another piece. Doesn't that tell you a lot? That
Yeah,
tells
I'm
you a lot.
hungry.
All right, next guy. Let's go, Shivali. Not getting out of it.
That's not bad.
I thought I could fake sleep and get out of it, man.
They're missing out on all the goodies. Or they're getting more carb.
It's nice, man.
No? Genuine?
It's very good.
Doesn't it taste
Genuine. Any aftertaste?
You didn't tell me it was carp, I wouldn't
You wouldn't have known. Huh?
caught in chips. We need some chips with this.
Beautiful. All right. Next up to try it is Shaki. He's put some salt on it.
Okay. To be honest,
Yeah.
I heard about it when I was in the shower,
Yeah.
and I heard the kid almost saying that it tastes a little bit like chicken.
Okay.
And he's right, it has that taste of chicken.
Taste.
Oh, really nice.
Awesome. Hot.
Hot, but
Nice.
really nice.
Awesome.
He's right. It does taste
Tastes
like,
like-
chicken.
What I actually came here for was the carp test. So, Junaid, don't look like you don't know what's going on. Can you hold that top plate?
Whoa, it's fried, so it
Are
must
you
taste
sure you want to record the
Yeah,
situation?
yeah.
Bismillah. Alhamdulillah.
It's really good.
Go for it. Yeah, of course. Wait, because I want to record you as well. Honest opinion after you've chowed it, after you've eaten it.
Good stuff, Bashir.
Beautiful. All right, Saifeddin, go for it, Bubba. What? No, tell me. You don't like it. You don't like it.
Huh? I never said anything.
So why are you laughing like that?
I never said anything, man.
All right, Saifeddin,
Tastes like fish.
tastes like fish because it is fish.
Doesn't taste bad.
It tastes good.
Tastes like chicken.
All right, our last person to try is Matt.
Bash, did you try?
No, yeah, I've had. You have the whole thing. All right, Matt. Honest opinion is Matt.
It's not.
Nice? Yeah. Why is everyone smiling? Give me like that one. Right, if it's not nice, just...
Everyone's surprised. It's
Okay,
yeah.
beautiful.
That's my first carp experience.
Take that, Junaid! Ah.